Hey y'all, welcome back to Oh No Adventures. In this video we're going to be installing the 3-piece Asfir skid plate system under the black Wrangler. We previously installed the system in the 2-door Wrangler and then also under the Gladiator, so this was the last Jeep that needed skid plates installed on it. The company is based out of Israel and they ship their products out of either Spain or France, so they are wrapped very well and very well packaged and protected when you receive them. So we had to take the gas tank skid back off because that bolt right there on the metal cloak lift kit was keeping the skid plate from being able to go all the way up. So we're going to have it notched out. So we'll be back. We didn't run into this issue when we installed the skid plates on the Gladiator because at that time we had a different lift kit put underneath it, but now we have the metal cloak. So if we ever have to remove the skid plates for any reason, we may run into an issue and we'll have to address it at that time. Their products are top-notch, but their installation instructions have a lot to be desired. I highly recommend either going over the instructions thoroughly before beginning installation or trying to find some YouTube videos prior to you putting them on. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already.
Oh no, no, no!